Welcome to our channel. If you want to link your Peacock account to your smart TV, follow these step-by-step instructions for seamless streaming. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to the App Store specific to your TV brand, such as LG Content Store, Samsung Smart Hub, or Google Play Store. Step 2. Search for the Peacock app using the search function in your TV's App Store. Step 3. Download and install the Peacock app on your smart TV by selecting the Download or Install button. Step 4. Once installed, open the Peacock app from your TV's app menu or home screen. Step 5. On the Peacock app welcome screen, select Sign In and note the activation code displayed on your TV screen. Step 6. Using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to peacocktv.com. TV Activate. Step 7. Enter the activation code shown on your TV screen and sign in to your Peacock account with your email and password. Step 8. After successful activation, your smart TV will refresh automatically and you can start watching Peacock content immediately. Explore movies, shows, and live sports available on the platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.